Hello, this is Sharifah Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. This week we are going to be doing some watercolors, some stamping, and some pixie glitters. We're going to be doing all three on one set of nails. Actually, we're redoing last week's set of nails. Let me get them out right here. This is last week's set. I'm not doing this. I'm just doing stamping with the glitters. I'm adding watercolor in. It's going to be really beautiful. We already started on 2 nails. To get the watercolor going, we are going to continue on with the green nail, or the middle nail. I'm going to use some yellow. That I'm going to leave as is. I'm going to dab, dab, dab. I'm going to spread this out. And then going in with the purple. Get me some water in here, because these are watercolors. Water decals, listen to me. It's been a minute since SheModern has had water decals. We're going to take some of this off the bottom here. Just trying to pull. I definitely want this yellow area here. We're going to try to take some of this off the bottom. Alright, alright, alright. Take your brush back and forth over your paper towel. Starting out this week with a brand new paper towel. Do some purple. Where's my pink? Oh snap. Maybe a little bit of pink in here. And some blue. We're going to go in with the water. Spread it out. Go back in with the water and shoot the pink. Oh, that was really cool. I think that was really cool. We got just a thumbnail to do, and then we will let these dry. I would like to do an orange. Where's the red? The red to me doesn't look red. This looks like a muted, I'm not really too sure what. There's some yellow. Yellow. Now I'm gonna mess with the yellow right off the rip because it's wanting to run. Same with the orange. Same with the orange. Tap, tap, tap. I'm going to go over the edge of the nail here. Looks pretty cool, like the sun, don't you think? Oh, snap. I'm filming this video a few days early and I'm in a lot of pain. Having a back procedure done today. It's just an injection to trial. How do I word that? A sample of burning the nerves in my back. So I am medication free right now, and I'm in a world of pain, and that's how it's got to be when I go in. It's no medication for 24 hours, so they can tell if the procedure works. Say a prayer for me. I'll let you know in an upcoming video, yay or nay. If I haven't, drop me a line and ask me. So on Wednesday Drive, we'll be back. Alright, we're back. 2 days later. My nails are definitely dry. I did have a back procedure done on Wednesday. Today's Thursday. So yesterday I did this back procedure done. It's like a sample procedure to burn my nerves in my back, my pinched nerves. The right side of my back's been bothering me for quite some time. So they're resting with the right side of my back and you know, gonna do this procedure. I get there, my blood pressure's up real high. I told her, I go, there's been a lot of pain. Left side of my back is killing me. I blew it out 2 weeks ago. Draining, grease. Oh, hamburger. That's right, you heard me, hamburger. So anyways, we're gonna do the right side of my back, no big deal. I had to go 24 hours, no pain medication, so I was really in a lot of pain when I got there. How does this go? You know, so, I don't know, I'm sorry, I'm in a lot of pain right now. You know, probably my mind's just skipping all over the place. I get there, blood pressure was up, they take me back, they do the procedure. Can't tell if it worked or not because I'm in so much pain with the left side of my back, and I'm, you know, I don't know. They wanted me to come home, do not sit, do not lay down, stay active. I looked at it and I started laughing. Man, I'm not kidding. I started laughing. You're kidding me, right? I can barely stand up straight, which, you know, in reality, I couldn't stand up straight. Not at all. Not at all. So, I got the blue peacock. I'm using the black too on this as well. I had the black sticky stamping polish. You know, I didn't lay down, which I really wanted to, but I didn't do anything. Anything. I sat here all day, all night till they said 8 o'clock I could finally take my pain medication if I needed it. First I'm going to need it once my back is blown out. I'll let this sit here for just a minute. Whoopsie. Next on the middle finger, we're doing my favorite image with it is the lady with the music note. There, you can see her right there. My favorite image on this plate. So, I had to keep a pain log of my activities and my pain level. And I told her, I was honest. I did nothing. I sat here, I got pain shooting down my left leg. I have a sciatic nerve. This is not that. This is at my waist and over. So I'm not, you know, I pinched it, bending over kind of slightly to the left when it happened. So I don't know. I gotta call the doctor sometime too and let them know what's going on, because I hurt this onto the nail so that her face is in the yellow. Clean your stamper. I don't know what I did with the lid. Okay, we'll leave that over there then. This nail here, I'm going to take it, wipe it off. There we go. This one here is the Morning Glory, it looks like to me. That's why I used it. I love, love, love them. We've got the lady. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. Ooh, berry. I think I'm just going to leave her face alone. And I'm using the Sparkle Blueberry Pixie Glitter. So yeah, we'll leave it like that. So leave that set. We are going to remove my mask, clean my plate real quick here. Alright, alright, alright. We're gonna tap, 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 tap. Tap off. I'm tapping up into my ashtray because that's what's handy, and I'm gonna brush it off lightly. Okay. And there we go. Last week I stamped all in black like I did, but I did everything pretty much in black except the rose. I did do the rose, and everything was in red last time with the rose. So I did this a little bit differently. I have got SheModern's top coats, 2.0. I have got the sheen satin, which is beautiful. It helps reduce the shine because of pictures and everything. Or I have got the glossy top coat, which is a no wipe. Both of these are no wipe. And I'm going to add some bling and these little gem assortments. I thought these were really cute with the rose, the pearl, and the bling. I want to add the glossy, I think. Whoops. I think I'm going to add the glossy. Oh, Lordy, Lordy, Lord, be with me. So the right side of me, get back to my back, the right side of me is not really bothering me at all because, I don't know, it's just not. It wasn't before the procedure. There was like 2 sample procedures and then they go do the main, which I'm not really sure how they do it. If anybody knows 100% how they do the burning of the nerves, is that under the knife? Somebody please pull me in, I don't want to cut my back open. Cause that ain't happening. I'm not into that. So let me know if anybody knows for sure how they burn your nerves. Because this is just a sample with injections. So I'm not really 100% clear. Not 100% clear on that. It's just but it was so bad if I just couldn't. It couldn't be bothered for anything. It would just get me out of here. So I go home and lay down, and they go, no, you can't lay down. You can't take a nap. You can't sit. You have to stay moving. And I figure, excuse me, what? You have a disabled person with a pain level of at least to the minimum an 8.5, and you're telling me don't go home and sit down when that's all I want to do is sit here off my feet because the pain that's traveling down from my left hip to my knee I figured you're joking, right? You're kidding me, right? Evidently they weren't, because on the paper it says in big bold black letters, do not rest. I wanted to laugh so badly, be like, ah. You're like, oh my, so they're gonna be pissed, because they're gonna be like, well, that's why you're in so much pain still. No, I was in pain to begin with. I was in this kind of pain beforehand. You know, I'm trying to help my mom out still, but it just, which is null and void. I can't do anything. I can't help myself even to help her, which is really horrible. Makes me feel horrible. But I can't, I'm useless to everybody. Totally useless. 100% useless to everyone. Which, I mean, I know it is what it is, I can't help it, but it's some bullcrap. Like they said, oh, you don't need a driver. Thank God my son took me. And, there's no way I could have drove. There's no way. I'm sorry to go on about my pain and everything. That's the important stuff that's coming across my desk today. That's pretty. What do you think? I think it's really pretty. Then I'm going to get these two puppies here. Well, Nelly. There goes my phone. Oh, Lord. Alright. Let me get my flashlight, here this. Should have used something, because these are big and heavy. Don't look at the light, ladies. Don't look at the light. Somebody sure, oh, it's Instagram, I believe. Could be anybody and doing anything. So I'm putting these in the lamp. Alright. Here we go. Fresh out of the lamp. Our watercolor pigments. Glitter. Stamping. Sticky stamping. I think it turned out really beautiful. With some little doodads here. These look really cute, don't you? Beautiful. I think this turned out really beautiful to add the watercolor to the design. Changing it up a little bit makes it a whole new manicure, ladies. Whole new manicure. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the added watercolor. Changes it up totally. So subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell on the notification. Click all, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, anything important that may come across my desk. You've seen what it was this week. So next week we're hoping for better news with my back. Hopefully this pain will ease up and I can be mobile again. Because right now I'm definitely not mobile. Say a prayer for me. I appreciate that. Have a blessed day and thank you.